My connecting flight misery is dedicated to you, Brianna. I don't know if taking this connecting flight was worth the $100 I saved.
Oh my god. Ween? What is in this freaking hole? Why is this in? They shafted me. And also those people across in those windows can like see me. So, a completely empty closet, a sink that is in the closet. Yep, okay. Fake fireplace. This corkboard's kind of cool. Good thing I brought zero posters. These should work, okay? Oh, this is like a real mattress. I guess I don't really need like extreme bedding. Like I only need like the sheets. Yum. We were just trying to figure out what's in this. Could be tofu.
We don't know. I love it. Hi, I'm Alessandra. I'm technically your college mom.
No, she's just my mom.
I don't quite know how the biology works, I feel like I should because I'm a biochemist, but you know.
My actual biological father has just left, so.
He's left to pick up your siblings. How exciting!
Yeah.
Oh, we missed the sunset. We have such beautiful sunsets here.
Oh, this is not open all the way.
Very exciting.
What do I say? Are you going now? Hi, I'm Anna.
Hi, I'm Tess.
So where are you guys from?
I'm from Virginia, but I go to school in Connecticut.
I'm from Chicago, but I go to school in Rhode Island.
We like just met today. We're at the dining hall, like eating this mysterious food. I don't even know what this is. So Hanwen and I are walking to the Philosophy and Theology Library for PPE and philosophy induction, which is like a fancy way of saying we're gonna learn how to use the library. You know, people are really out here wearing togas, like actually. Novel phenomenon.
McDonald's in the Czech Republic has like little macaroons. McDonald's is like something that my cousins would go to on her birthday.
So this is Griffin. He's going to explain how to do laundry at LMH.
Okay, so basically you open this up.
This is rustic as hell. Oh, there's a step. Watch the step.
And there's two dryers that don't work. You have to do multiple, and even after you do multiple, it's still very damp. So you have to hang it up in your room. You have the app, right? And you put money on the account, and then you have to put the camera up to it. But the thing is that like you often lose connection in the middle of it. So you have to like run outside, regain connection, sprint back in. It's a process.
Follow these simple steps. We're currently trying to find the gym.
It's over here.
Oh, this is where they keep the bikes. No way.
This is a live.
This
like,
cannot be the gym. Hello.
Sorry. We're just here to like.
We're exploring.
This is better than I thought. Okay.
We're about to go meet Rebecca at this like
Hi.
at this British restaurant, I guess, but it's a chain, so it could be just like the McDonald's of the UK and we wouldn't know. This is Greek yogurt and honey ice cream, whipped cream and maple syrup on a waffle.